Designing for manufacturability is one of the most important stages in your product development process. With limitations of how a product is manufactured, it's crucial to get your design right the first time so you can avoid costly errors. As a customer, the web-based DFM partner program lets you easily communicate and request custom manufacturability rules from leading manufacturers for your designs, saving you time and eliminating unnecessary iterations with your manufacturer. Easily fill out your design details and request rules from manufacturing companies that support DesignTrue DFM rules. Once you receive your custom set of rules in the Allegro Constraint Technology file format, you can apply them in real time as you design. This ensures that you can find, fix, and avoid manufacturability errors earlier in your design cycle. With Cadence's DesignTrue DFM partner program, validate manufacturability and eliminate the post-process of finding DFM errors.